Imagine you can instantly create a path to reach your financial goals. Think of how much more freedom you'd have to spend on what you really want. Perhaps you'd improve your credit score, to buy a car, pay off high-interest loans, or finally buy a home of your own. There's only one problem. It can seem impossible to achieve any of those goals without help. It might be easier if you had knowledge on where to turn. After all, without expert advice, where do you even start? That kind of makes goals seem impossible to reach. Typically, the frustration leads to just giving up. Fortunately, there's help available, and it's free. Southside Hope has partnered with OSU Extension to bring money management and Rent Smart workshops to the Marion Franklin area. During the workshop, you'll learn about creating a plan for success, increasing your buying power, and getting out of debt, and workshops on budgeting, credit repair, and renting smart. You'll gain access to all the right tools to succeed and reach your goals, minus the frustration. We're excited to help more residents achieve their financial goals. Register now for the Reach Your Goals workshop on Wednesday, January 29th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. at the Marion Franklin High School. Registration is free, so reserve your seat today. Or you could just ignore this invitation and continue feeling defeated before you even start. Not knowing what to do, worrying you'll never get there. Or, for free, you could sign up for the Money Management Workshop Series and reach your financial goals in 2020. Registration is free, so reserve your seat today.